On today's menu, a simple recipe to keep things saucy. A delicious Korean-style pan noodles. Lei hong ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This easy noodle recipe is sure to delight. As always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. Crush and peel 2 to 3 pieces of garlic. Finely chop the garlic and set aside. This recipe makes one good portion, but of course you can multiply to make more if you like. Finally chop a small piece of ginger. Ginger and garlic are incredibly aromatic together. Chop 2 sticks of green onions. I absolutely love green onions as they add a nice pop of green color and a really nice freshness. Dice 1 tomato. I'm using a vine tomato today, but you can use whatever tomato you have on hand. If the tomato is super ripe, that's even better. The sweetness will add into the sauce. This recipe is quite versatile. You can definitely add broccoli, bean sprouts, carrots. It's completely up to you. Let's prep the sauce by adding 1 tablespoon of gochujang, which is a Korean pepper paste. About half a tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. About half a tablespoon of maple syrup. About half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Optional pinch of cayenne pepper. Give the sauce a good mix and set it aside. A couple of things before we start cooking. This is coconut cream that I've simply scooped out of a can of coconut milk. The water and the fat or the coconut cream will separate, especially if you put it in the fridge ahead of time. Simply scoop it out, save it for later. This will add really nice kind of fruitiness and richness to the saucy noodles. This is a umami-packed tofu crumble made from a past episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, make it really easily at home, and you can have this on hand. So addictive, looks amazing. You'll absolutely love this. Saute pan, medium-low heat. A teaspoon of avocado oil. Add in the garlic and ginger and saute for about a minute or so. The garlic and ginger will melt deliciously into the sauce. Add in the tomatoes and saute for a couple of minutes. The juices from the tomatoes will deglaze the pan. When the water comes to boil, cook the noodles to package instructions. For today's episode, I'm using about 250 grams of frozen udon. By the way, if you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. This is a collection of over 6 years worth of the most popular recipes seen on the cooking show here on YouTube. Of course, there's a link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, thank you so much for supporting the cooking show. Pour the sauce into the saute pan. Add in about 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, turn up the heat to medium, and give the pan a good stir. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes so all the flavors can get acquainted to one another. Drain out the noodles and add to the pan. Give the pan a good stir so the noodles can absorb that delightful sauce. Add in about half a cup worth of that tofu crumble. Add in half of the chopped green onions. Give the pan a good stir. You'll start to see that the sauce will become completely absorbed into the noodles. Plate the noodles. Garnish with the rest of the chopped green onions. Top with some chili threads. And a sprinkle of white sesame seeds to serve. You can now serve up these saucy noodles with absolute confidence. That smells delicious. That looks like a simple, humble noodle dish, but that is a wild ride of amazing flavors. Visually, it just looks rustic and inviting and alluring with that golden glow. And right from that first bite, you're welcomed with an explosion of so many different flavors. There's a salty umami from the soy sauce. The gochujang introduces that sweet, tangy spiciness as well. There's that sweetness from the maple syrup, the freshness from the green onions, and that delightful fragrance from the toasted sesame oil. The garlic, the ginger, the tomatoes just create this beautiful, rich sauce. That tofu crumble looks extraordinary and it tastes amazing. It's already packed with umami, but then it's just glistening in that beautiful sauce. That coconut cream also adds this butteriness and this glossiness to the sauce. The noodles, of course, have that bouncy elasticity and just a really delightful mouthfeel. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that is the best way to stay notified so that we can cook together again in the next episode.